welcome to the channel and welcome to the new Renault Megane RS. So, brand new car. This one has 1.8 liter turbo petrol engine with 280 horsepower. You can choose between the EDC double clutch gearbox and this, the manual option, which is, if you ask me, much better choice for this car. First impressions, pretty fast, nice sound, especially on high revs. You have these little pops when you rev it. Now, I don't know if you can hear it, but those are the little pops and bangs. So let's talk a little bit more about some facts. So why 1.8 liter engine? Because of weight savings. This is the same engine that is in the new Alpine A110. And this car has, as I said, 280 horsepower, and there will be a trophy version around the end of the year which will have 300 horsepower. One of the other very cool features of this car is fork control system. Basically, it turns the rear wheels in the opposite direction of the front wheels and the speeds below 100 kilometers in race mode, in which we are currently in, or in sport mode that happens until 60 kilometers per hour. Below that speed, basically the wheels turn in the same direction, so you get more speed, you can carry more speed in the corners. When you want a manual gearbox, you need to opt for the Cup version, which has Cup chassis, and it is very stiff, and basically for city driving it's a little bit uncomfortable, let's say it so. But of course, that's the price you pay for having a car that handles really good and has the manual gearbox, which is not very often you see these days, unfortunately, for us who love the manual gearboxes. Another thing I want to compliment are these seats. So these bucket seats with Alcantara, they really hold you in one place in the corners. As you can hear, nice sound. And those are optional. You also have, as I mentioned, this lovely steering wheel, and this car is equipped with Bose sound system. Sounds pretty good, but if you ask me, in this car you don't listen to the music, you listen to this. Okay, so let's talk about the exterior of this car. So you have these aggressive headlights and also these fog lights that look like racing flag, similar thing we saw on the Renault Clio RS. This car, as I said, is a Cup chassis, so it's very stiff and low. Looks very good in this yellow color. And at the rear we have the massive diffuser, the exhaust, and of course the RS badge. I think the car looks really good. It's nice to see these wider wheel arches, because makes it look much more aggressive than the standard version. This is very nice also. Coming to interior, we have Alcantara steering wheel, the display like in the other Renault Meganes. This is the screen you have when you put it in race mode. If you put sport mode, you will have like this, and of course comfort, you have this blue screen. This is neutral. I prefer the race mode, which looks like this. One thing you'll notice, so it's a stick. Very good. This is the Cup chassis, and Cup chassis come with stick. If you want the normal version, you will get the EDC dual clutch. Also great option, but if you ask me, I will choose this one.